Hello students, 3rd standard maths lead app books fractions and data handling continue SB-11 4.2 write the fractions for the shaded parts, then compare the fractions and write less than, greater than or equal in the boxes. First one A. Here in first figure there are 5 parts are there. So we write 5 in denominator and the shaded parts are 4. So we write 4 in the numerator, that is 4 by 5. In second picture there are 5 parts. We write 5 in denominator. 3 parts are shaded, that is we write in numerator, that is 3 by 5. Here 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. In second question, 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. 4.3 shade the figures below to show the given fractions and write less than, greater than or equal in the boxes. One has been done for you. A. 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. B. 3 parts are there. 1 is shaded, 1 box is shaded, and in another picture 3 boxes are there, 2 parts are shaded, that is 2 by 3. 1 by 3 is smaller than 2 by 3. 4 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Next, 4.4 compare the given fractions and write less than, greater than or equal in the boxes. A. 7 by 9 is smaller than 8 by 9. B. 4 by 11 is equal to 4 by 11. C. 15 by 7 is greater than 5 by 7. D. 9 by 14 is greater than 3 by 14. 4.5 fill in the blanks. Sid and Ram each had a sandwich of the same size. Sid ate 3/4 of his sandwich and Ram ate 1/4 of his sandwich. Who has less sandwich left to eat, Sid or Ram? Three by 4 and Ram ate 1 by 4th is less, means Ram ate less sandwich. Concept time 5 adding like fractions. In the previous classes we learned how to add numbers. Let us now learn how to add fractions. Ritu grew onions in 1 by 5 of her garden and carrots in 2/5 of her garden. She wants to know how much of her garden has been used to grow vegetables in total. Onion, carrot. Let us use the addition of like fractions to help her. Solved example 8. Solve 1 plus 5 plus 2 by 5. Answer. Method 1. Step 1. Draw as many parts as the denominator. In denominator 5 parts, so we draw 5 boxes. Step 2. Shade as many parts as the first numerator. First numerator is 1. 1 by 5 means 1 box is shaded. Step 3. In the remaining blank parts, shade as many parts as the second number. Second number is 2 by 5. So we shade 2 boxes. Step 4. Count and add up all the shaded parts to know the numerator of the sum. Total number of shaded parts are 3. Step 5. Write the answer as the new numerator and the same denominator. That is 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. Let's think. Write the addition statement that can be used to find the fraction for the shaded part of the shade. Let's discuss with your partner. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. How many 1/5 will make a whole? 5/5. 5/5 make a whole. 1 by 5. 5 1/5 will make a whole. Method 2. Step 1. Write the fractions 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Step 2. Take the denominator as common and add the numerators. Common is 5. Denominator. Add the numerators 1 plus 2. Step 3. Write the fraction obtained on adding the numerators. That is 3 by 5. Let's work together. Sam bought 3 by 7 kg of sugar from one shop and 2 by 7 kg of sugar from another shop. How much sugar did he buy in all? Find out the answer by drawing. Watch out. Incorrect answer. Correct answer. 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9 is equal to 7 by 18 is incorrect. Correct answer is 7 by 9. While adding like fractions, remember to add only the numerators. The denominator remains the same. First, let's work together question. We draw the 7 boxes and we will shade 3 pictures and 2 pictures. Total 5 boxes we shaded, then 5 by 7 is answer. Practice question number 5. 5.1. Write an addition statement for the shaded parts of the figures given below. One has been done for you. A. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. 1 by 4 means one color is black, that is 1 by 4, plus 2 colors are red, 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Second one is the whole parts are 8. Black color shaded 2 parts 2 by 8 plus red color 3 by 8 is equal to total 5 by 8. C. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. D. 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. 5.2. Color the images according to the given fractions. Write the sums of the fractions below. A. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. 2 by 8 plus 3 by 6, 3 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8. 5.3. State whether the addition statements given below are true or false. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. True. B. 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 7 by 14 is wrong. That is 7 by 7 is right answer. C. 3 by 9 plus 5 by 9 is equal to 15 by 81. This is incorrect or false. Answer is 8 by 9. Correct answer is 8 by 9. D. 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 is equal to 7 by 11. This is true or correct. 5.4. Add the fractions given below. Draw pictures to show the addition in your notebook. 1 by 7 plus 4 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Shade the colors. You can draw the pictures like circles and make parts 7 and shade one part and another in another color shade 4 parts like that, or you can draw the boxes also. And second one B is 2 by 11 plus 4 by 11 is equal to 6 by 11. C. 3 by 13 plus 5 by 13 is equal to 8 by 13. Like this. Concept time 6. Subtracting like fractions. Sampath had 7 by 8 of a pizza with him. He ate 2 by 8 of it. He is now confused about the amount of pizza left with him. Let's think. Irfan had a pizza. He ate of it. So 2 by 8 ate of it. What fraction of pizza left with him? To find this, we need to subtract the fractions. Let us learn how to subtract like fractions. Solved example 9. Solve 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Answer is method 1. Represent the first fraction by drawing a shape. 7 by 8. 8 parts we can make and 7 parts are shaded. Step 2. In the shape, strike off as many parts as the numerator of the second fraction. Numerator of the second fraction is equal to 2. That is 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Step 3. Count the remaining shaded parts of and write the answer. Total number of remaining shaded parts is equal to 5. Fraction is 5 by 8. Method 2. Step 1. Write the fraction 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Step 2. Take the denominator as common and subtract the numerators. Ensure the bigger number is written first and the smaller number is written after the subtraction sign. 7 minus 2 divided by 8. Step 3. Write the fraction obtained on subtracting the numerators, that is 5 by 8. Solved example 10. Subtract 6 by 13 from 9 by 13. Answer. 13 boxes are there. 9 boxes are shaded. In that shaded parts, we erase the 6 parts. Then we write 3 by 13. So the difference is 3 by 13. Watch out, incorrect answer. 9 by 11 minus 3 by 11 is equal to 6 by 0. This is incorrect. Correct answer is 6 by 11. While subtracting like fractions, remember to subtract only the numerators. The denominators remains the same. Let's work together. Work with your partner. Can we subtract 7 by 9 from 2 by 9? Why or why not? Explain the reason by drawing. We can't subtract 7 by 9 from 2 by 9 because 2 by 9 is smaller than 7 by 9. Practice question number 6. 6.1. Complete the subtraction statements given below. A. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. B. 5 by 8 is minus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 8. 6.2. Which of the following options shows a difference of 3 by 9? Tick right the correct option. Second one is correct option because in this 9 parts are there and 3 parts are shaded, 2 parts are wrong. Solve the subtraction problems given below. A. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. B. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. C. 6 by 12 minus 2 by 12 is equal to 4 by 12. 6.4. Solve the following. Draw pictures to show the subtraction in your notebook. A. 4 by 7 minus 3 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7. You can draw the boxes or you can draw the circles and make parts 7 and 4 parts are shaded. In that shaded parts you erase or you wrong 3 parts, then answer is 1 by 7. B. 6 by 10 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10. 6 by 12 minus 4 by 12 is equal to 2 by 12. D. 8 by 14 minus 3 by 14 is equal to 5 by 14. Concept times 7. Fraction of a set of objects. We have so far learned about fractions as numbers that show parts of a whole. The whole need not always be a single object. It can also be a group or collection of objects. 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Solved examples. 11. Color the clouds given below to show 9 by 13. Here 13 clouds are there. We can shade 9 clouds. Answer. There are 13 clouds in total as shown in the image, and in the denominator we need to color 9 clouds out of 13 as the number of parts to be counted is 9. Solved example 12. What fraction of the fruits below are mangoes? Answer. Step 1. Count the total number of objects in the group. This count is the denominator, that is 12. 12 fruits are their total. Apples and mangoes total. Step 2. Count the number of objects being counted. Here we need to count the number of mangoes. This count is the numerator, that is 5. Step 3. Write the numerator over the denominator to form the fraction, that is 5 by 12. So the fraction of mangoes in the fruits is 5 by 12. Let's think in the above example, what fraction of fruits are apples? The fraction of apples are 7 by 12. Activity corner, making a fraction flower. Use different colored papers and cut them into small bits. Use red colored, yellow colored and blue colored paper bits. Stick those bits in the box to form the shape of a flower. Write down the fraction for each color used in the flower. Practice question 7.1. Tick right the correct options. A. What fraction of the group of triangles is pink? Here 4 triangles are there. The color shaded is one part, so 1 by 4 is the right answer. B. What fraction of the group of flowers is pink? Answer is 3 by 7. 7.2. Write the fraction for the colored part of each group. A. Here 16 chocolates are there. In that 16 chocolates, 5 chocolates are colored. So 5 by 16 is the answer. B. 8 by 15. 7.3. Color the figures in the groups below to show the given fractions. 3 by 8 means here are 8 aeroplanes. We shade the 3 aeroplanes. B. 7 by 10. 10 flowers are there. We can shade 7 flowers. 7.4. Look at the groups of things below and write the fractions. First one, what fraction of these cloths or shirts? 4 by 9. Second one, what fraction of these cloths or pants? 5 by 9. B. What fraction of these faces are happy? Happy faces are 6. The total number of the pictures are 11. So 6 by 11. Second one, what fraction of these faces are sad? 5 by 11. Which face is represented by a greater fraction? Happy faces. 6 by 11. Concept time 8. Word problems involving addition and subtraction of like fractions. We use addition and subtraction of like fractions in our daily lives. Let us use NEPs to solve some word problems on fractions. Solved example 13. Akshay drank 2 by 5 of a glass of milk in the morning and 1 by 5 of a glass of milk at night. How much milk did Akshay drink in all? Answer N. NEPs. First letter is N. Find the numbers and keywords. Numbers 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Keywords in all. A. What is asked? A means asked. To find how much milk Akshay drank in all. D. Draw to understand. Milk Akshay drank in the morning 2 by 5 of a glass. Milk Akshay drank at night 1 by 5 of a glass. Total amount of milk he drank? Question mark. O. Find the operation to be used. To find how much milk Akshay drank in all, we need to add the two fractions. S. Solve the problem. Total amount of milk Akshay drank is equal to 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. So, Akshay drank 3 by 5 of a glass of milk in all. Solved example 14. Janani has walked 2 by 10 of the total distance from her home to her school. How much more does she have to walk to reach her school? Answer NEPs. First letter is N. Find the numbers and keywords. Numbers 2 by 10. Keywords how much more. A means what is asked. To find how much more Janani has to walk to reach her school. D. Draw to understand. Distance from home to school is equal to 1 is equal to 10 by 10. Distance covered is equal to 2 by 10. Distance remaining to walk is equal to question mark. O. Find the operation to be used. To find how much more Janani has to walk, we need to subtract. S. Solve the problem. Distance remaining to walk is equal to 10 by 10 is minus 2 by 10 is equal to 8 by 10. So, Janani has to walk 8 by 10 of the total distance more to reach her school. Practice question number 8. Solve the following word problem. Gaurav finished 2/8 of his homework on Saturday and 3/8 of his homework on Sunday. What fraction of the homework did he finish in the 2 days? B. Abdul has 2 dogs. One dog eats 4/12 of a bag of dog food in a week. The other dog eats 7/12 of a bag of dog food in a week. How much food do the 2 dogs eat in a week altogether? C. For an activity, Priya and Sia cut 1/6 and 2/6 of a rectangular chart paper respectively. What fraction of the chart paper did they cut in total? D. Julie baked a pizza for her friends. Kiran ate 4/7 of the pizza and Mary ate 3/7 of the pizza. How much more pizza did Kiran eat than Mary? E. A piece of ribbon is 12/15 meter long. A piece of 4/15 meter is cut from it. What fraction of the ribbon is remaining? F. Asia wants to complete 8/13 of a puzzle today. She has already completed 3/13 of it. What fraction of the puzzle does Asia have left to finish? G. If there is 3/8 of a cake on a plate, what part of the cake is missing from the plate? H. Dhruvi had 5/9 of a paratha. She gave 2/9 of the paratha to Ashok and 3/9 of it to Tanya. How much of the paratha was left with Dhruvi? I'll solve these problems in the next video. 8.2. Look at the given figure to understand how much time Rohit takes to complete his homework from different subjects and answer the following. Here in circle, EVS, Maths, English, EVS 1/5, Maths 2/5, English 1/5, CCS 1/5. A. What fraction of Rohit's time is spent on EVS and English altogether? EVS and English 1/5 plus 1/5, 2/5. How much more time does Rohit spend on math than on CCS? Math and CCS 1/5 more time. Concept time 9. Pictograph. In this part of the unit, we will learn about representing data. In previous classes, we learned how to use pictographs to show data visually. When data is large, we draw pictographs with a key. The key gives the value of one picture. Let us consider an example. Solve example 15. A sports shop sells many basketballs each month. The pictograph below shows the number of basketballs sold during the first 4 months of this year. Read the pictograph and answer the following questions. A. How many basketballs were sold in February? B. How many more basketballs were sold in April than in March? C. What fraction of the basketballs were sold in March? Key is each ball is equal to 50 basketballs. Answer. According to the given key, each picture of a basketball in the picture represents 50 basketballs. A. February has 4 basketballs. 4 into 50 is equal to 200. Therefore, 200 basketballs were sold in February. B. Number of basketballs sold in April. 5 into 50 is equal to 250. Number of basketballs sold in March. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. How many more means we need to subtract. So 250 minus 100 is equal to 150 basketballs. Therefore, 150 more basketballs were sold in April than in March. C. Number of basketballs sold in March is equal to 2 into 50 is equal to 100. Total number of basketballs sold in the 4 months is equal to 14 into 50 is equal to 700. Fraction of basketballs sold in March is equal to number of basketballs sold in March divided by total number of basketballs sold in the 4 months is equal to 100 by 700. Watch out. Cameras. Key. Each camera is equal to 50 cameras. Incorrect answer. 5 cameras are there. 5 cameras. Always remember to check the key while calculating your answer. Wrong answer is 5. Correct answer is 250. One camera is value is 50 means 5 into 50. 250 cameras are there.